want you to think very, very carefully, Mr. Cole. 2-week period, because you said you drew us $1,472 because of your 3 children, was using other things. I would like you to, other things she was using the money, you felt entitled $1,472.
I don't know exactly what it was for.
Well, I mean, was she using it for, just a second, did you see money coming out for a spray tan or for breast augmentation?
No.
Then I'd like you to tell me what other things there were that you to remove funds from an account that a judge had said to you, don't touch.
It was the attorneys that said don't touch.
Fine, attorneys.
Okay.
Yours and hers.
And she was taking money out of the account, and
Just
before it
Just
disappeared.
a second. Well, so then you've changed your statement. You first take money out of the account for. Okay? So now you're not saying that she shouldn't have taken money out of the account for frivolous things. It could have been for other things, but you don't know what they were. So I'd like you to tell me how much money she took out of the account.
It was probably in the realm of hundreds of dollars.
No. And you took out an odd number, $1,472. Now, she looks like she's got everything written down very, very carefully. You are standing there with your mother with nothing in front of you. Is it correct that in the month of July, you didn't send $1,400 for the support of your children?
No.
How much did you send for the support of your children in the month of July?
I don't have that paperwork in front of me.
Well, where did you think you were coming today? To the beach?
We were coming to...
Where did you think you were coming? You were coming to the beach? No, this is all leading up to what happened on the date that your former wife, and I'm not usually, I think that she did the wrong thing by going to your mother's house because something was wrong with a check. I'll let her have it. But right now, I'm not getting a good vibe from your side because first you tell me that you touched money that you weren't supposed to touch because she was using it for things she shouldn't have. That triggers in my mind, if I didn't ask the next question, children who are 15, 13, and 11, okay? And you can't support 3 goldfish on $1,400 a month. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't want you to think that they're living high at the Ritz on your $1,400 a month. Okay, which you didn't pay in July. So now we go to she's using a couple $100. Well, a couple $100 isn't $1,472. Where did you get the figure from, $1,472 that you took out of the account that was supposed to be untouched?
That was half of the balance of the tax return that was left in the account.
Okay. Is it correct that in August, half of the refund had already been utilized by you?
So when we went to sit down to discuss the stipulation, we took the tax refund and we used it for marital debt.
What marital debt?
That was due.
And was that discussed in the stipulation that part of the tax refund check would be used for that?
Yes.
Very easy phone call to the lawyers. Do you recall that at the stipulation settlement meeting, that part of the refund check would be used for marital debt?
Absolutely.
So she used part of that money to pay water. In that little pot was $2,900, which both of you were told not to touch, but you did.
After she did.
No, she didn't. What she's saying is she used that money, unless you can tell me that she got gels on her nails twice a week. I asked you a question, and the question was, what did she spend the money? It had already been discussed with both of you. Rent, utilities. We're not talking about.
No.
Okay, I got you. Now I got who we are and where we're going. Now you can sit. Now you leave your mother all